So we got the Kamado Joe here, the badass grills. Got my daisy spin up here. Control the air, put in and out. The more air you have, the more heat you get. Air equals fire. Got all my gauges here, steakhouse, thick porcelain, nice oven seal. Here I am, just heating up my lump charcoal. Charcoal I'm using today is from Argentinian rainforest. And it's hardwood, nothing added, no preservatives, a mixture of different trees. It's good stuff. So once that gets going, then I set in my heat deflector, which is a ceramic plate, my grills, and then depending on the temperature what I'm grilling, you move the grills up and down. You can do anything on it. Here's my bottom ashtray where all the ash falls into when it's done. And then you control the airflow with this guy down here. This one you usually just leave like that, let some air go in. It's more the top. So again, once this is heated up, start. And then I got my hard cherry wood. No, it is apple wood today, soaking in water. No glue, nothing, natural. I'll be putting those in the firebox around the edge. Add some smoke to a pork shoulder today. Pork shoulder I'll be cooking at about 225 for 7 hours.